Around 2,500 years ago, a group of people sailed from the Sunda Islands of Indonesia, crossing a sea of nearly 7,000 kilometers in a sailboat. They arrived on a strange island. The trees, plants, and animals on this island were unlike anything they had ever seen. The animals looked unfamiliar, and the trees appeared even stranger. This island is called Madagascar, and the people who arrived here are known as the Malagasy. The island is located about 400 kilometers off the coast of Africa. However, long before the Africans reached this island, a group of people had already arrived from several thousand kilometers away and settled here permanently. Later, some African and Arabian people also came to the island and mingled with the bloodlines of the original settlers. They created a distinct civilization with their own unique culture, mythology, and even an ancient epic, Ibonia. The most surprising thing is that there is a striking resemblance between their epic and the Indian Ramayana. The Ramayana tells the story of the heroic journey of Lord Rama to rescue his wife, Sita, from the demon king Ravana. Ibonia, on the other hand, is about the quest to rescue Rampalaka from the stone man Ravatar. Around 185 million years ago, the Indian subcontinent, Antarctica, Australia, and Madagascar were all part of a single landmass. Then, 125 million years ago, this vast landmass split into two. One part contained the Indian subcontinent and Madagascar, while the other part included Antarctica and Australia. Around 88 million years ago, the Indian subcontinent and Madagascar also separated. The collision between the Indian subcontinent and Asia led to the formation of the Himalayan mountains. Meanwhile, the island of Madagascar remained isolated in the middle of the Indian Ocean, about 400 kilometers away from the African continent. This isolation allowed Madagascar's biodiversity to develop in a completely unique manner, different from the rest of the world. This long geographical separation is the reason for Madagascar's extraordinary and endemic biodiversity. Madagascar is home to some of the most diverse wildlife on the planet. The plants and animals found here are mostly not found anywhere else in the world. As a result, the creatures on this island appear truly unusual to us. Around 96% of the island's plants, 97% of its palm species, 85% of its orchids, 90% of its reptiles, 37% of its birds, and 73% of its bats are endemic. This means they are found nowhere else in the world. All amphibians in Madagascar are 100% endemic. The island is globally renowned for its unique biodiversity, diverse culture, and breathtaking natural beauty. Although it currently faces numerous challenges, with appropriate conservation and sustainable development efforts, the environment and culture of the island can be preserved. Madagascar stands as a remarkable testament to the fusion of nature and human culture.